welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Nelly M. And in today's video, today, I will be using my light sticks to help to calm and relax you the best way I can. If you don't mind, comment in the comment section how you like the sound of this microphone and how you like the quality. If it's giving you extra tingles, if you like the echo, I do have a little bit of echo on it, not too much. But just comment down below. I'm always interested in you guys' comments and interacting with everybody. So make sure y'all do that for me, please. And let me know if this is giving you tingles. Okay? So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my tunnel to push light through and to try to relax you using my light sticks. Okay? So the first light that we have is blue. Are you feeling blue? Are you feeling blue? Don't feel blue. Feel blue in the sign of comfort, happy, calm, peace. Blue is for peace. Blue is for peace. Blue is for peace and for calm energy. Imagine blue waves coming and washing over any negative thoughts that may be swirling around your mind. Imagine blue waves coming to give clarity, to give comfort, to give peace. Blue is not just a color for feeling sad. Blue is a color of comfort, peace, and happiness. Blue, 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 blue. We are filling your mind with cool, comforting thoughts of blue, 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 blue. Let's move on to the next color. The next color we have is red. We want you to feel love, and we want you to feel peace, and we want you to feel calm, and we want you to feel comforting. Red is not just anger, rage, or frustration. Red can also be a sign of love, deep emotions and feelings. Let's use red to light up your heart. Let's use red to activate your heart and your love and your emotions, the happy emotions surrounding red. Let's ignite your passions. Red is a very passionate color. What are you passionate about? What do you see as your heart's desire? What do you want for yourself, for your feelings, for your heart? Let's see what the next color is. The next color is purple. We are going to allow purple to be a color of royalty. Purple is also the color of activate your third eye, psychic visions, empathy, connections with the spiritual realm. Allow yourself to feel connected to those things in a different realm that are there to push you to a higher purpose. Royalty. You are royalty. Royalty. You are purple. 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 Purple is also a calming color. Purple is represented also in lavender, which is very, very calming, soothing for your soul and for your spirit. Allow yourself to be embedded in purple and be calm and connected. Let's see what the next color is. The next color is green. Green is a color of wealth and prosperity. Green means all good things are a go. Allow those green, beautiful things in your life to grow. Picture the green getting brighter and brighter and brighter, meaning your abundance getting stronger and stronger, growing, 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 growing. All of those beautiful, abundant things are growing for you. Your money is growing for you. Your abundance is growing for you. Your wealth is growing for you. Your prosperity is growing for you. Allow the green to take you to where you see yourself financially, to where you see your abundance in all areas of your life, financially, spiritually, mentally, physically, emotionally. All areas of your life are green and abundant. You are abundant. You are abundant and green. Your life is abundant and green. And any areas where you feel like you are lacking are now being lit up with the abundance of green. Of green everywhere. Green, 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 green. Green, 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 green. I like this green. Green is one of my favorite colors. One of my favorite, favorite, favorite colors. I love green. All of those things that you thought were stopped for you are now lit up in green and are flowing for you, for your greater good. You are green. You are good to go. Let's see what the next color is. The next color is green again. Spirit wants you to know that you are more than abundant. You have all of those things in your life flowing to you in abundance, 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 abundance. The prosperity over you is strong, 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 strong. And anything that has come to try to stop you is removed. We love green. Thank you, green. Let's see what the next color is. The final color we have is red. Your abundance has fueled your passions. Your passions are fueling your abundance. It all ties together. When you are passionate about what you do, your abundance comes quicker, 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 quicker than you could ever imagine. When your abundance has ever been tested, your passion always pushes through to help you get through to the finish line, to make sure that you secure that abundance, abundance, abundance. Use your passion. Use your passion. Use your passion. Put your heart into it. Whatever your passion is, put your heart into it and do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't let anything mess with your passion, mess with your comfort, mess with your abundance, or mess with your sense of self, mess with your sense of direction towards your higher self. You are connected, 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 connected. And those things around you want you to get to your highest self. 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 Good night. Good night. Good night. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching